Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Do you have leftover bananas? I did, and I didn't know what to do with them. Okay, that's not really true. I had lots of ideas, but making muffins seemed like the very simple thing to do, comes together quickly, and you can make any adjustments you want. The title of this recipe is technically Caramel Banana Walnut Muffins, but I'm going to make chocolate chip banana walnut muffins because that sounds equally delicious. Yes. Could you use any other chip that you want? Yes. Could you change out the nut? Yes. So the recipe is flexible, it's easy. It actually has a balance of white flour and whole wheat. So you could say it has a little bit of nutrition in it. A little. And then you get to eat them. So easy. I'm also making them because we're gonna make muffins, oh yes we are. Banana and walnut chocolate chips, the star. Bring around the eaters because these will be so good. Butter. Brown sugar. Beat until smooth. Bananas. Egg. Vanilla. Milk. Beat briefly to combine. Baking powder. Baking soda. Salt. All-purpose flour. Whole wheat flour. Mix to combine. Chocolate chips or whatever chip you like. Chopped walnuts. Mix lightly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease your muffin tin or feel free to use paper wrappers. I thought it might be fun to add some sparkling sugar on top because who doesn't like that? Bake for 20 to 23 minutes till they're a nice golden brown and it passes the toothpick test. Time's up, let's test them. Ooh, came out chocolatey, but other than that, clean. Since I have mine in wrappers, I'm gonna take them out and then let them cool and then we'll taste them. Look at this lovely muffin. See that sparkle on top? Glitter, glitter. Sparkling sugar makes everything better. Smells like a delicious banana, walnut, chocolate chip muffin. Let's give it a taste. That banana flavor comes right through in the most delicious way, followed by the chocolate chips and the walnuts throughout. This is a great muffin. And did I say that it does have a little bit of whole wheat flour in it? That counts for something. They're delicious, easy to make. Go ahead, give it a try. Add whatever chips or nuts you want in them. If I can make banana, walnut, chocolate chip muffins for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. It's so quick and easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and check me out on Instagram. Oh, and those song requests, keep them coming.